Need more minutes on your total wireless phone? There are two main ways: refill pins and auto refill. Refill pins are codes you can buy at retailers like Walmart or CVS or online. Once you have a pin, enter it on the Total Wireless website through the app or by calling star 611. Pins come in denominations from $10 to $50 and add talk, text, and data depending on your plan. They're valid for 30 days, and unused minutes often roll over. Alternatively, auto refill automatically adds minutes by charging a credit card or bank account at set intervals, such as every 30 days. This is great for consistent usage. You can set up, pause, or cancel auto refill through the Total Wireless app. Both methods keep you connected with the flexibility of prepaid service. Don't forget to verify the payment methods or opt in for auto refills to prevent fraud. The Total Wireless app, available for iOS and Android, provides a streamlined way to manage your minutes. You can instantly refill your account by scanning a refill pin or adjusting your auto refill settings directly from the app's dashboard. Beyond refills, the app tracks your minute usage in real time and sends low balance alerts, preventing unexpected service interruptions. Some plans integrate with Verizon's ecosystem, offering perks like data boosts. With biometric authentication, adding minutes is now even faster and more secure. The trend is towards digital management, with app usage up 40% since 2023 and auto refill enrollment increasing by 25%.